Let's go, Sibling Rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just Hello.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
It's the Black on Black show. Zugondima is the name. Yana on the run. Tamzupela, Tamzubiri, Tamswaiko. You know what it is.
And if you don't know, we're mourning the end of another year.
Oh, that's what's happening. Okay.
We just happen to be wearing black today. I hope you can see us because we're just blending into the surroundings.
Yes, these are not my shoulders. It's the chair.
No chance. It's also quickly ending, but same time.
At the same time, but everything is happening. Yeah, I think I've just realized that there's so much to do, so little time.
As usual.
And now looking at whatever it is that you need to look at, you're just like, "Wah, akho for yonke lendo." And there's certain things that I'm just like, "No, bro, we can't push this in next year." It also sounds so far.
Exactly.
Too much.
Let's not do it this year. Let's do it next year. November,
Bruh, also saying let's do it next year is like, can I answer that question on Monday? Monday uzawufika ndanga.
Yeah, uzofika but akazofika ngoku.
Absolutely.
It's a strange one, but I'm really glad that this year's almost over because it wasn't a great one. And I can only hope that the next one is a much better one. What?
I mean, it was a great one because we were alive. Let's start there.
Really? Yeah, but now also, the thing is about being alive is that we have to be grateful for it.
I mean, that helps your experience. Because if you're not grateful for it, then the experience yako sucks. Bonela la Popeye, xa kunetha, uhamba so omnye uyatyala ngapha. Gratitude, man. Gratitude is the main attitude that we just need to have. Man.
Okay, fine.
That's what I use and what really, really works for me. Yeah. Grateful for the smalls. It makes you even more grateful for the bigs.
I guess.
Makes you look forward to them. Makes you,
kind of to trick yourself into it.
I mean, not really. You just need to look. Hi, guys, there's plenty to be grateful for.
No, I'm not saying there isn't. I'm just trying to figure out where we are.
Yeah, no, you just have to look. See, the problem here too, or the problem is that I feel like I get caught up in so many things, be busy, and you end up missing the small things. Like a crazy thing of this year has been so horrible, but then kabangekhoyo, man, guys. Kabangekhoyo, and
The lucky ones.
Huh? I'm not even, because I mean, because when you leave people behind.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And it's a story worldwide. Do you know what I mean? Just like I was having a conversation with a friend and we were talking about going home and like Mali and no. And then I was like, hey, I remember ndingakwazi ugoduka ngomnyaka. Ndafona endlini athi kuse wamelana man. It's either uzamna kanye nkosi or ndithumela imali nenze lonto nifuna uyenza ni-grocery kodwa ndangama naxesha kwalo mali yakho ndangama sifuna wena cha just you walking up and down breathing in this house which to me yandishoka mna la because I was just like, hey, you know what, we tend to think that we are the things that we have or the things that we can give, but
or that's what people want from us.
Or that's what people want from
what
us.
we can give or
correct what we feel, but because sometimes now hayi wethu noba ndikhona noba ndikho akwenza mahluko. It definitely does. Iyaphilisa. So yeah, that's just me.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's your week been?
My week's been cool. I went to a friend mass.
Okay.
Or something to that effect, yabo. Bendi-invite-iwe. Xa u-invite endaweni hey, awazi mntu that you know has also been invited.
And I know nomcinga ba mhlawumbi nobani.
Yeah, understand? Yeah. Now, number one, funeka because awufuni ukucelela abantu ba hey ndi-invite-iwe siyaya mos. Like wena.
Yes. And invite-wanga.
Exactly. You know what I mean? Which was pretty cool. I met a lot of really, really cool people in the kind of content creation /
space.
Fashion space.
Oh,
Had a couple of cool conversations. It was really, really dope. It was something that I was just like, Dominic did it. And it's something I was just like, yeah, I'd definitely like to do this. And then I was just like, anityisa isonga neqanda mna not la menu ibingaphaya kokuqonda besitya.
Oh, as in host.
Yes, yes. Yeah, hosts are special people.
Yeah.
Shout out to all the hosts that host people and do things for people, because yabaphilisa. Shout out to you guys. You guys, nizi VIPs zobomi.
Khange uninvite mna wena.
Okay, yabona ke, this is not a platform. Yabona ke.
Just call it out.
Don't do that. Yeah, well, so yeah, it was a cool kind of, it was a really new experience. I realized just how introverted I am. But I always say this, but then it's in situations like that where it plays out. Hey, sure, how's it? It was introduced. Did you
go by yourself?
Yes. Invite and get nam that in the etiquette.
No, of course.
Yes,
100%.
Yeah. So that was pretty cool. Pretty cool start to the week.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Did you see that there's I didn't know that there were, or maybe I did. So SASMAs.
What?
So African Social Media Awards. SASMAs. Oh, Sassy. They happen now.
Queen man. Well, it's not one award, I suppose. You can't call people for one award. Social media.
Yes.
Okay.
SASMA, yeah.
Is that come?
So apparently, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Apparently, though, you need to enter for yourself. So I come to we submit we submit sibling rivalry as whatever. Funeka where now you're joining category uthi dicela uzisubmita kule nale.
Pura, there's no way there's gonna win. No,
that's what I'm thinking. I was like, I think I'm winning over you one, dog.
And then it's like an award show. It's like an award show.
It's an award show.
And then go categories.
Yes.
What is there? Like social media categories?
Yes.
Podcasting, do you know some of the categories?
I only saw like 2. The one that I saw is best, you know when you're making, get ready with me, come with me to where, what is that called? Vlogging, best vlogging creator, something like that.
Okay.
Because I mean, not everybody does the exact same thing in the social media space.
Yeah.
Best food content creator. Those are the 2 that I actually saw. But I'm sure there's many more.
I can't believe you didn't tell us many awards next year. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure there's a calendar somewhere out there. But guys, also nani if konde nibonayo nisixelele ba yehamba nongenele kanulala nina. Kisibene awards sasa ibawela awards.
Phakame pha uyothi thank you.
Oh man. Look, obviously one speech is a win. Everyone's wondering, what would I do if I didn't win? I guess we'll never know. Last the park with no mic. Oh man, no,
so all I'm saying is if we forget, I'm holding us accountable in case silibale.
Twice.
Yes. Please can you remind us?
Yes.
But
please.
Guys, it's about that time.
Yeah, and then so you can endarisha and senangxaki ngoku yoba, oh, what if it's fine man, be phakathi sabona phambili.
And ukhona podcast of the year.
Iwina ngubani?
So there's categories like social media brand campaign of the year.
Okay.
Media.
Oh, I know some person who ought to have won that. There's a lady. I forget the thing and I forget her name. But she just recently did something which I was just like, yo, man, this is wild for Nescafe. And she did so, she did great.
Did a lot.
I'll show you that thing. It was crazy.
That's amazing. Social media personality of the year, popular hashtag of the year, podcast of the year, automotive influencer, travel personality, newcomer of the year. Thick.
Fundini was 3 categories.
Next year, and if I swinanga.
And then how do they? You have to vote for me.
Yes, so people have to vote for you.
Oh, we missed you out.
And it's the 5th annual one. I was like, what?
For next year, next year.
Yeah, so finna up.
And also, I hosted an event in the past week.
What
I
did you
hosted an event Movember, in the spirit of Movember. So usually during August, they have like a women's event, Pespan. And then November, in line with Movember, they have a men's event, kind of the real men's conference. So just calling all the gents as a Spani. We come in there and then we talk about main things, the usual things. And it's mostly, it's around wellness, right? So it will be like physical wellness, spiritual wellness, emotional wellness, etc., tips and tricks, etc., etc. And there's a guy that I need you to Google. His name is Joey Evans, the big guest speaker. His story. What a story, man. What a story. I'm just gonna leave it there. I don't want to spoil it.
Fine.
But he's literally like a modern day superhero.
Oh, nice.
So I was emceeing that.
Oh, nice. Ladies and gentlemen. Or just gentlemen in this case.
Gentlemen and gentlemen. Yes, that's exactly what I said.
Oh, there we go. See where you get all your trips from.
Yeah. So it was pretty cool. And I've gotten some positive feedback. So I'm really happy about that.
Okay, that's cool.
So on to life now. It's been a good week. It's been a full week.
That's cool.
Yeah. And I've had to think a little bit as well. When we invite.
Siphuani.
Uzayifumana
uzoyazi masiphumile. Sizophuma ho. Semince.
Wena manu refresh emails zakho.
Andizimincelanga mna ndinqele abanye abantu
abafakileyo ngomgunyathi. Guys, Utalika put people.
I put one person.
She didn't get a list.
I didn't get. Yes,
I have a list. Mom has a list. Dad has a list, and we've all got numbers attached to them, right? But when now you can, so many people, so many people, which I think is a fair way of doing it. And then I got Dad's list. Well, I got Mom's list, and then I got Dad's list. Now I'm listing got Dad's. Dad enochomi zabatswana.
Sutu, but okay.
Sutu name bandije. Kwenzakalani la? Andibona daddy Buddha. Daddy awuyeka Fontini. Don't ndide uqhathiwe firstborn.
I didn't even speak to him about it.
You just sent it to him.
He didn't. Do you really think he was the one curating his list? Okay, so I spoke to the person I needed to talk to. That person called me. Wati, ukhona umuntu oyi-1 ndicela ufake umuntu oyi-1. Wathi okay mfake.
Can you talk umba ndisoza ngabantu? Enizaninika.
Oh, siyamosha ke.
Yeah, but we'll talk about that in our main topic. Snide topic. No, I'm sorry. How are you, mate?
Okay. Okay. I went back to go see my clinician, my mental health clinician. Mm-hmm.
What's that?
My psychologist.
Okay.
Oh, really? Yeah, I went back to therapy, so that was hard. It's hard making that call to say I wanna come.
I always say it's hard making that decision.
Yes.
Because the call comes after the decision has been
for made. Sure. But you can also still make the decision and it can still be like I made the decision that I really need to do this, but it also took me a while to make the call. Sure. Even though I'd made that decision.
Okay.
Because I was like, definitely have to do this. Because then I'm like, ay, kuphela unyaka, sizoqala ngoku, and then then funeka siyeke, then funeka, you know, excuses, but why did I stop in the first place? Oh, it's expensive, this thing. Then I was just like, I'm suffering.
Yaphela.
And so
fair. And if that's the only thing that you are after, that's 100%, because everything else, iba ilipo nasi mfethu. Ndifuna uya kuphela. Like that's it.
Yeah.
Eyoba ndifuna ndoni out of this. Eyoba inoba kuzaba mchana. I think nyani, a lot of the times we struggle to make that decision because we think of everything else. Then we just need to think about, do I like how I'm feeling? No. Ifuna uyeka. Is this a possible way bandingayeka? End of story. Nice one.
Yeah.
Shout out, boy.
That was not easy though, honestly.
The session or the
session
call
itself. Yeah. Because now you must say, because I was with that lady before and she was like, why did you come back? Firstly, why did you leave the first time? The thing is,
yeah, now you must account, boy.
100%. And akakbuzba go like gesibi. No,
this is exactly how you did it.
It's like, so why'd you leave? And then why'd you come back?
What you know at home?
It's not nice here anymore, my dog.
Yo.
But it was also cool how she like remembered stuff. Obviously, she went through her file of food before her weekend.
Yes,
but it's always nice. But because she's never writing in the session.
He has dreads now. Sorry.
Because she's never writing in the session, you know? So I'm always like, because nangu 5 o'clock wako ume mnyango. But anyway, she was like, cool. She's like, oh, are you still living with Smosh? I was like, oh, what? How do you know that?
Yeah, obviously, you have to.
Yeah. So it was a difficult one, but I'm glad I did it. And yeah, I'm glad I did it.
Okay, cool.
And you know what the crazy thing though about going to therapy, especially is that you like, and then you're gonna, because when I left, I was like, so did he need, now I must wait until next week because like, and you could writing like, give me something to do. And she was like, oh, wish I had a magic wand, but I have to see you again.
Absolutely.
Yes, just to figure out where exactly you are.
Yes, correct.
And then we can talk about whatever, coping mechanisms or whatever it is that you need. But
tools.
I know, you feel like nonsense now. And okay, in order to stop feeling like nonsense, because it's obviously not that easy as well.
It's not that easy. And nobody or whatever. That's also not long. It doesn't solve your issue long term.
No, exactly. Exactly.
And that's a lot of the time. And I guess when you're feeling like you're in a spot of bother or when you're feeling like you're in danger, that's the one thing that you want.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, that's why people end up on drugs, this, that, just but what you really want is a long-term solution.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I just want to say thanks to you for having a difficult conversation with me. Because that definitely helped. And I can't imagine how difficult it must have been for you to have that conversation with me. But it was needed, clearly. And so, one foot in front of the other.
Yeah, no, for sure. No. Step by step. That's what it is. Yeah. It's difficult, but yeah, anyways, we have to go through the difficult things.
Yeah. I think one thing about, you're always going to therapy and finding out things about yourself that you didn't know, right? But the one thing that she said to me was like, you seem like you're just putting yourself last like all the time in a place where you go, okay, this is where I fit here. You're always at last on your list. And that's not something I think I do, obviously. But according to the things I say, then it's clear as daylight, but it's something that I do. And then I was just like, oh, boo. This thing about the selfish, you know, I'm just like, I'm always putting myself first. Kanti. There's so many places that I hide away from, and so many things I hide, and so many things that I have to act for. And, and that I, you know, I don't want to do, but I'm doing it because I don't want anybody else to know that konde rongo. You know what I mean?
And in that sense, you're putting yourself last.
Yeah, in that sense,
Correct.
you're putting yourself last.
Yeah.
Because you're putting everybody else first. Because I don't want to worry you, which means I'm behind you in that list.
Which I think is so cool, like the way that it's been put in that sense, because as you say, you understand it when as sometimes we misunderstanding that putting everyone else first means automatically you get last place.
Yeah.
We think putting yourself last is you saying, I'm putting myself last. Kandi, that's not it at all. What it really is that there's certain things that happen as an automatic if certain other things are happening.
Exactly.
And we don't think of it that way.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Just because this is happening, that is.
Yes, correct. Every action has got a reaction, every njalo njalo. So that's something pretty cool to think about. And in us putting ourselves last, singafuni sinjalo uziputa last. We put ourselves last. And we are the ones who pick up the pieces in all of that. That's my whole thing. Ukuthi kwa ezizinto sithi put first. At the end of the day, yambi. Xa usodikiwe phone uthi Buddha, khange ndikucele nokucele masiqale apho kuqala. Yabo? And that destroys that relationship. Then that relationship is destroyed. Then you're destroyed. Then so when you think about it on that, in that kind of sense, then you're just like, I go with it. It's actually just not, it's not worth it for them. No one wins in that situation. No. This is the problem.
No. Nobody wins at all.
Yeah.
And so, you know, I got to hold on to that as a concept and figure it out in my head and go, why would I do that? But secondly, I didn't realize I was doing it, and therefore now I have to actively think of not doing it.
Yes.
Anymore.
Correct. Yeah. So meaning that even when people are, is that what's going to happen? Look, I mean, not everyone is like me. I think like that now because immediately when I make certain discoveries, whether it's through conversations with people, whether it's through external clinicians or whatever, when I make those, I go to the complete opposite end.
Okay.
So when I make a realization, when I people please, then I come please to the opposite end, and the answer is no. Then I have to work back to a point of balance.
Middle ground.
Yes, that's my challenge that I'm always faced with. Whenever I find out something about myself that's like not so great,
you overcorrect.
Alawi. I'm still yet to learn the skill of moving from here. These are the opposite ends. I'm still yet to learn the skill of moving from here gradually to here. I usually go like this and then come back this way. Which also takes time. But yeah, I'm to learn that skill as well of kind of trying to balance. Hey, balance, man. Hey.
And balance takes a lot of taking it easy on yourself as well.
Absolutely.
Especially when you found out something that you didn't know about yourself.
Correct.
You still have to take it easy on yourself.
But in that balance as well.
But also not keep moving forward.
Yes, not too easy.
Yes.
So.
Because taking it easy on yourself is standing still.
Yes. But also inching towards the middle. Because very often you find yourself on the extreme end. So it's not being too easy, but also not being too hard.
Yeah.
Which is also a balancing act all on its own.
Yeah, I mean, there's some kind of like embarrassment that comes with learning something about yourself that you didn't know, that gets pointed out by a stranger.
I did that.
What?
To me.
Yes, I did that to
doing
myself.
This. Yes.
That's embarrassing.
Yeah, it can be.
Which is why then you overcorrect. So you just go, I can't believe I was doing this. Let me not do that anymore.
Correct.
Yeah.
Of which you can't undo. I always take it like the shower or like a bath. Let me put a shower because it's a teppy one where you open manzi achisa. How you fix that is you don't go to the cold side.
No.
And then you overdo, but not too much. So it definitely is.
It's exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
Our board says you've come this far for a reason. Keep going.
Yes. Like
That's
that.
all I have.
100%. Just to add on that, Man City, go read about Joey. Joey also said, you've not come this far to come this far.
Yes. Actually, it was so I wrote that and it was between that and...
okay, you've not come this far to come this far.
Yeah.
So definitely, I think paying cognizance and homage to that is for a reason, man. Are your mistake? Are your mistake? Nothing is a mistake. A lot of it is of our doing. A lot of it is God's doing, but nothing is a mistake. There's a reason. There's a reason why Sisabhila. There's a reason. And again, life sometimes becomes about trying to find that reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's tough.
Yeah.
So another thing that I did is I thought I lost my glasses at your birthday party. So then I ordered new glasses. And then I found my glasses.
Okay. They're nice.
They're not bad.
They're cute. Yeah.
So now, then I found them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That means you got glasses to change. I envy that, bro, so much.
Why?
Because my lenses are so expensive now. I always have to. Nobody wins again.
Awukazami kulanda undithenga kuyo
mfondini. Okay, hayi ndiyazama. Khona into endiyiphekayo. Khona endiyiphekayo mfondini. In terms of uba ndikwazi ufumana izipeks, imali ixabiso eli-right.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah. This life of mine, I mean, I'm not even, like, I'm careful, but like, I'm just like, I gotta now, you can't see without glasses and you've only got one pair. Is this like a joke?
Yeah, yes, it's a complete joke.
Yeah,
actually.
absolutely. But while we are on that topic,
one mistake
of shopping for glasses, let's go to the shops.
Oh, yes.
Sneakers go through a lot, from school runs to weekend grooves to Sunday visits. Running out of solutions again? Introducing the all-new Walk Fresh Sneaker Cleaning Shampoo.
Thanks, Mom.
750 mils of pure sneaker cleaning power. Big bottle. Great value. Wow! Clean kicks for the entire family. Get yours today. Available online and at selected retailers.
I'm always surprised at that. I will never remember.
There's one day where we're going to go to the shops at the end of the episode.
Yeah, I live alone shopping. So we got a message from a special human being who was suggesting topics for us. I don't know if I should say who it is.
You know who you are.
You know who you are. Somebody's mother. And she was talking about behaving in places where you've been invited and what your behavior should be like.
Sure.
Right?
Yes.
So I know when you were talking about being invited to Friendsmas that you went to, and I asked you if you went by yourself. And you're like, yes, go to a man isn't dead.
Sure.
My thing is, if the invite doesn't say,
okay, yeah, go.
If the invite just says, Zugondima, you've been invited to this Christmas, or whatever it is, right? Please RSVP.
It does say though. It is Zugondima. It hey Zuko.
Okay. So hamba
wedwa standard unless you've explicitly been told.
Ba plus one plus
plus, yeah, bring as many people as you'd like. No.
What if you're shy?
Sukuya lo.
Oh, but you want to go, but you don't want to go by yourself. Can you imagine somebody who's shy who had to go there by themselves?
Me, yes.
And how was that experience for you?
It was daunting.
Exactly. And then omunye umuntu uzodontwa ephi esendlini engekahambi. Bayo safika ngincokole nabani andibazi mina abantu. Also I don't even know who's
Ungcona lamntu ku-invite-leyo.
Lamntu busy. Ni right. Come for drinking.
Etiquette is always, if you are going to bring someone, hayi phone it.
Ubuze.
Phone ubuze uthi mamela man yabo. Ndinomntu endihalela uvaya naye yabo. Ndingaza naye. And also, host, don't be afraid to say no.
No, you can't. And in Balanga.
Yeah.
350 per head and now you 350.
Absolutely.
People do feel weird about that though, about saying no, which is weird. Yeah.
But then uzawushotela zizitulo, then uzawushotela zizinto, then like...
Yeah, then it's awkward. Yeah, because I'm sure, I mean, you would like to think about you have prepared in like to the T, but okay.
Yeah.
Abana by 20. Abana by 20 are going to cost me this much. Abana by 20 bazokwazi uhlala apha kulena room. And that's the end of the story. And then abefikile abantu that you haven't invited as the host. Then iningabagxothi. Oh, why would you bring someone?
Ngabona bahle.
And you're just like, bro, I don't even know you. You're the best dressed here. You weren't even invited.
Oh, man. So, Chikisa.
Hi, my love.
Oh, does it?
You look so nice. Oh, you guys look beautiful. But unfortunately, there's no space for you guys. I don't know who told you guys to come here. But space. Space.
I agree with you. Space. But what is it? Is that a cultural thing?
I think so, because yayingekho into yoba umema ubani nobani. Umema kwandima family. And Ndima family is anyone. And in front of everyone about your wedding.
Are we losing?
We are chat again next week. We're all coming. We're losing community again.
Is it?
Yes.
Things cost money now. My challenge
things always cost something.
Yes, correct, but things cost more now.
Yeah, but that's the way of the world. The more the world gets older, the more things cost.
Hey, we're so meaning that we need to change our behavior.
Because the things cost money. So meaning Frankenstein, the community siyeke we invite yonke enkonzweni.
I don't know what the answer is. Yes.
Wena kuzokwenza for you. Do they do announcements at your church? Like
not
that?
Anymore. No one does that anymore. But no one does that anymore. No. People only do that like in
Yeah, true.
But no one does that.
So then why is umngcwabo? Because umngcwabo is also costly. Why is umngcwabo something that we can invite everyone to, but a wedding isn't?
Fundin umngcwabo awunapehead fundin. Awunapehead. Community hall is cheaper. Understand?
Okay.
And umngcwabo kutyiwa nge-laptop. Awunidi underplate. Don't vula i-laptop yakho utye le nto utyayo.
I guess. And akho situlo ezibaliweyo. You sit where you can sit emotweni yakho uhlala noma kuphi.
You understand?
I guess. So
what a difficult thing, mate.
This is the thing. So before, like let's say before senzi white weddings, the senzi michato like of traditional thing, traditional weddings. Even then, kwakungekho situlo, underplane, kuyafana ngathi uye emngcwabeni because it's still a
correct
communal. So because we have westernized the way we celebrate, we have also then had to westernize how we think of it.
Yes.
And in the Western community is not as big as it is in the African community.
Fair.
Therefore, because Tina, we have chosen to go a different route.
That's entirely correct. And that's something that we are still struggling to adjust to. And I think it's because we don't know uba ivelaphi.
Indon.
Ilondo leyo. It's something that we were born into it and it's something that we've just gone with. in general, in terms of saying, but and we sometimes, like, I hadn't gone into it. Why? You understand? And then going into that then makes you kind of forces you to rethink it. Even now in a shape number, you know. And also I guess because nangoku phone sisenza izinto sizenzele ezindlini, houses are smaller. Awusahlali ngoku pha ukuthi hayi ka 4 na ka 6 no ronda no ngoku uzocelela egate ngokuba not more than 6 visitors. And we struggle. We struggle.
Yeah, we do.
We struggle. But then
because we're still living in two different worlds. We've got one foot in this world and one foot in the other world. We're gonna struggle.
We're gonna struggle up until we I think come to terms with the fact that
yeah, so you actually have to pick a world. You can't live in both worlds.
You have to pick a world.
And the Western world is the one that's gonna win.
If you pick it. Because you must remember, but you can have a thing and have as many people as you want. You go on in now, but we ain't don't park.
Why did you say
that? I understand. Because also now, Nabandu have changed. Because I don't know, maybe back in the day, ndikugqibele nini uva ukuthi awubani ubiziwe hayi ke sayokera kube kudala iva loo nto leyo akusakerwa ngoku fonini bethe catering sakusendela icatera thina ku-Instagram ubone buphuma kanjani, you know what I mean? But and in that we also haven't really, when it comes to other things ke ngoku, just general etiquette, right? So you'll start with the, am I allowed to bring one person? No. Right? We agree on that.
Fine.
Right? Then number 2, ke ngokuze izinto ngokuba okay, ifikile ngoku vuselantshini. Usemsebenzini. Si-end ye-function ngoku.
Okay.
Umuntu khosa besithi. Yo hayi andifune khamba ndiyayicapela yo. Hayi kodwa end ye-function. Tabo from finance. Kungeni emails the following Monday because
exactly. Why is it like that? Why about it's one night, it's a couple of hours. The whole year you've been behaving like a scholar. Now there's one night and it's the end of the year and you can't handle yourself. Why?
Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed by what?
Excitement.
No, you see these people every day. You work with them every day. You see these guys.
But now you can't tell them certain things during the year because they're gonna take you to HR.
So you get HR. Is that why you're acting nicely? Because you get HR. Because that's not who you are. Acting good is not who you are.
Is it fine for you to judge someone based on how they were behaving?
Yes.
Once. You must remember, unyaka wonke okosi right? But now, the one time.
Okay,
Why is that not the mistake? Why is that the true me and not what I've been displaying?
Because you did the same thing last year.
It's
at
fine.
Last year's Christmas party. So every year, once a year, you must do some nonsense.
The whole year.
Sana's party. Also, Abantu, because Coco is a free drinks. There's an open bars. Ndakazazi ba. Yabona unemali yakho yazi ba. Yabona xa iphelele 1,000 rand andizophinda nisele.
Hayi amameski imali ze rent kanga.
Whatever, but you can go okay. And then you know about okay, and there's husband selling into ethile and I can afford into ethile. You know all those things. But now your boss comes and goes, whatever you want it. Ube nonsense, yo. Why? Give me a round of Azul.
But this is the problem. And it not only opens with that, it also happens with food. ufuna uyozama into ongazaziyo oqala nozibona.
But you have to experiment in life. You can't just eat the things you know.
Can you do that like in the comfort
Somewhere
of your
else.
own home?
But along by in London. What if I try it? Try caviar for the first time. I hate it. But now I've bought it. Oh, well. Someone else must buy it, son. Oysters. Oysters. Nah, bro.
So we're building a rule book here. Number 1, don't invite people that haven't been invited, right?
Yes, as the person who's received the invite.
100%. Yeah, well, rules for December, guys, is right?
Yes.
Number 2, don't try new things that you don't know how you will behave when you consume them.
Oh, true.
Right?
Yeah, true.
Rule number 2.
Okay.
Ne? Maintain that energy. Yeah, I was like, I want that same energy. Maintain that energy. Rule number 3. Can I take food home?
Oh. What was your plan?
Huh?
What was your plan before? Was opaque. But now but now you haven't gone home because you had to be at this party.
Yes.
But now they fed you at the party
Okay.
for the dinner that you were going to be missing at home.
Okay.
Bakunikile ukutya.
Yes.
Oh, kukukodkayo kuyaphi kon?
Kaloku, andithi kaloku, you must remember, uba, life goes on. You understand? And
Life doesn't end after this party.
life goes on. You understand?
I'm ingesting as we speak.
Yeah, understand? When I'm at a restaurant and I'm paying with my own money, I was going to can put it in the takeaway.
Because andiqibanga.
You understand? Kutya nakho kushekile. I am ngcwabeni, emsebenzini, wherever nakho kutya kushekile.
Kwake kwashiyeka kutya emngcwabeni never seen
Yeah,
it.
no. Yabo, but kutya kushekile.
Sure.
Now, is it okay for me to take it home?
Okay, I know I want to say no, but if you feel like you really want to, ask the person who's invited you.
Okay.
Ungabe usenza
Sure.
amacebo alusizi apha.
Okay. Okay.
Buziba, hayi bani ndiyabona mangathi ushekile. Is it okay if I take some home?
Ooh. Okay. So it's good to also ask.
Of course.
But it's not a right.
Are you right yakho because awuyazi thini plan kokakutya kulaa mntu?
Okay. Fair.
I mean, as far as you know, it was to feed you guys, and you guys didn't eat all the food.
Yes.
So you take for granted that, okay, kokwethu anyway kukutya.
Kokwethu. Gosh.
Yeah, it was made for us,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
But you don't know, mhlambi, if laa mntu has a soup kitchen that they tend to, or whatever, you know, eyazile uba I ordered more food so that I could have something. Okanye nguye ufuna ufake ezifrizeni for nina feed ifamily yakho iveki yonke. You don't know.
Fair.
So ask.
Okay. So in the same vein of Crenshaw into esingayifuniyo i-wastage. Not because unyolukile.
Why? Because you're the wastage police.
Yeah, kaloku sensitsho kaloku, but that's a way that we can then put it, is that
But people don't want to ask because it's ngathi unyolukile. But when we see you putting things in things that food doesn't belong into, we're already going, hi bo.
true.
So rather ask, then ungakwazi ukwenza ngesihle. You can even ask for a container. Xa ucelile yaqonda.
No, absolutely. And also, I think, when it comes to certain things like, oh, buffet, no. Our eyes, when they see food,
Okuninzi.
no, they see, our eyes minimize what is on our plate. Our eyes and our stomachs.
Our eyes are bigger than our stomach.
Yes.
What? I thought that's what we were going to say.
Minimize. Our eyes are bigger than our stomachs.
Yes.
Number one. And we
Yes.
need to realize that.
100%.
At any stage, nobody knows kupiswa ngayo le free. Our eyes are bigger than our stomachs. Maybe if udibene ne buffet, also phaka kancinci, you can go back. I think ikhona into esingayaziyo thina about you can go back.
Uzazi though that you're at a buffet.
Yes. You understand? you can always go back.
But ufake mountains. Oh,
Inyama engakanani.
Kilimanjaro.
Kodwa uyazazi ubona isisu sentaka.
And uzoshiya.
And technically you should always shiya ukutya because yitya before uphume endlini. That's another thing.
Ungafika ulambile.
Ungafiki pha usithi ho sana ndihemnce because sometimes things take time.
Yeah. And
right?
we know that very well.
So base noba yithi uzilayish noba yintoni and tyela isisu not amehlo. But very valid point. Ask.
Ask, bro. Just ask.
Just ask. And if you are too embarrassed to ask, maybe go look at the reason why you are too embarrassed to ask.
Yeah, why are you too embarrassed to ask?
Yeah, understand?
So you'd rather steal the food.
Yeah, which is very like ayikho londo leyo. Ngoku umntu ibag yakho funeka uyifile ube kuvuza isosi. Ebhekini yakho imihluzi.
Onye in a wedding. Utyele begini. Like, utyele begini.
Uphinde walamba.
Ewe. So I'm like, eza zinto sebhekini hlele entwenini xa uzoveza ukuthi ebhekini.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So that's rule number 4.
That's rule number 3.
3. Bacela. Cela uzophiwa.
Yeah, the rule on taking home food. Cela.
Bringing children. That's another thing that I feel sometimes children shouldn't come to certain
into
things.
Visitors and their children.
Visitors.
But if you want to bring a +1, children fall in the same thing. We didn't tell you to have kids. So didn't have anyone to keep your child. As
And people would
ask.
Yeah.
Ask.
Yeah.
Are kids allowed?
And if someone says no, kids are not allowed, take it.
Take it. Yes. If I'm not umntana, sheka naye makagcinwe nguwe ngowakho.
But it's my business.
No.
I can't miss my wedding.
No.
Are you guys gonna have kids at your wedding?
The what?
So are you gonna say no kids allowed?
What?
What? I'm asking.
No, I'm not gonna say no kids allowed. I'm gonna say Talita Ndima, I am inviting you. Waza wena no snot face.
I think you should write no kids allowed.
Why?
Just because some people, but just when it's not written, they take for granted that I can bring my 6-month-old baby.
They must watch this show. What?
Yes.
What?
Okay, fine.
It's unfair. Unfair, guys. I think what we need to do a lot of the time, and the rule that maybe will help us, is let's think about the host. I think a lot of the time we think for ourselves. We think about ourselves. We don't think about the person. And we don't put ourselves in the person or in the institution's shoes to say,
how is this going to inconvenience them?
100%.
Yeah.
Right? Which brings us to our next rule. When we get invited to these things and go a theme, let us not go if we are not going to respect the theme.
100%. I hate it when people don't respect the theme.
Yeah, understand? So
uzixelele wena ba andizumnxiba lo all white nxitywa apha.
Wakhona bona ndinxibe all white.
No.
Yes.
Awufuna umnxiba ungamnxibi.
Sumnxiba and sukuza.
Yeah.
And you know what? I think a lot of the time we miss having these. But there are difficult conversations. But to me, I ask about white eyes on Ozam. Tingundo zanda black. You understand?
Okay. So are you? What's the plan? Ufuna ukuza? Ungamnxibi? Oh, awuzukwazi kanene.
Okay. So let's accept that if you don't want to dress up, it's not okay.
The thing is, the person who doesn't dress up is not going to tell anyone.
Beige and white. Uba, uyayazi uTalita ba. Angimbe thimu.
What is
it's not theme? Cool. It's not cool.
It's not cool at all.
It doesn't matter what the theme is. Like I have a friend, Undando, she had a birthday. She was turning 30 and she said to us, dress like your favorite cartoon character.
Nayenza alone. You know how much fun that is also.
You know what I mean? And this is the thing. When everyone is dressed according to a theme, no one feels out.
Funny. No one feels bad. Oh, yabona white ayonto yam ngoku ndi-awkward.
Yes.
White ayonto yam, that's for sure.
Oh, really?
But I'm not going to go to an all-white party.
So umenywa ndim.
Unmema
Andizokumenya. Zakumenya ba unxiba ngekhala. Umenywa ndim. Hi Talita, I'm having it.
Why all white? What's the point of that? I'm going to be dirty by the... Before I leave my house, I'm dirty, man. I'm telling you. That's why.
It's Christmas. Friendsmas.
You could go white, not red. Okay, white and red and white. Aiva. But I'll come. I do have white clothes that I hardly wear.
Okay.
Because I know myself.
Okay.
By the time I'm walking out the door, I have a mark on my white top.
Sure. Okay, but you'll still honor it.
Yeah, I'll come.
And I think let's honor it, guys. It's not nice when your theme is not honored.
No, it's not.
I think at a bare minimum, if
even
you're really that
you're
uncomfortable,
just like Okay, let's do the last one.
Yeah.
Oh no. I'm so sorry. Okay, so on the way people are dressed, right?
Okay. No, that's fine. But I think we've got a very good base, which also kind of goes across the whole thing, event. We've covered everything, the most important things when it comes to events.
Okay, last one. If invite I'm having a bra, I'm having a ask if you can bring something.
Oh yes. Oh Chini. Hayibo anina ice. Hayibo uzanayo wena.
Uzela ntoni?
Ngithanda ibizela ice kanye lunchini.
Just ask if you can bring something, honestly.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, where siyavuma. Khange ndithi bring and share, but just ask if you can bring something. Yes. Can I bring? Sukuthi shorter also because nala shorter uzaba.
Ngathi nami shorter.
Look, can I bring something?
Yeah.
And also maybe what, day before?
Yeah.
Because on the day you might not be able to. Maybe you need a jelly. When something you said,
Because I'm not in a man, so settle up a party.
Yes.
Yeah, but the day before is a good day.
Yes. Day before, perhaps just try and find out if you can bring something.
Yeah, but a lot of the times the things come up on the day where you go, yo, silibele into etile.
100%, right? And usually those are easy things. And I think asking the day before is also you just putting yourself out there to say, listen, I'm available.
Yeah,
I'm putting my hand up. Oh, is that a rule?
Yes.
Fair.
If you're
Look, I mean, 80% of the time you're going to be told, no, it's fine, don't worry.
Yeah, which is fine. But just put yourself out there as well. Because it's also stressful to host abantu. And sometimes you forget stuff and whatever.
And now in the same breath, now.
And when uzofika utye, usele, kube mandi, ugoduke. You might as well bring something.
100%.
Yeah.
Now, in the same breath or in the same line, then if cooking you.
Oh, that was the one I actually wanted.
Oh, but tin stuff. Nuts. Mayonnaise.
Now, imagine I've invited 30 people over.
Sure.
And 15 of them, banendo bangaziyo. Oh, stop it.
So then?
Guys, sunibalisela kwento ngaziyo.
At all.
Suzitya lokho. Why are you out here eating?
I gotta be on the end.
I know. Wena ndim. Awuzityi nje. Uzitya xa kutheni xa wendiwe. Awa. Stop. There's a lady who was like, yeah, I've started my new journey.
Where?
Fitness journey, and my friend has invited me to birthday yakhe. Ndamxelela uba ku-fitness journey yam nditya ngeli xesha nditya into ezithile. And the friend did nothing about it.
Wahethi lo.
Ophalele ratewing.
Jokes.
Imagine if every hour Intimanin City, hi ke mna. Oh. Ingayifaki iswekile kwibhatata. Oh.
Hayi man, sweet potato.
Oh, please. People put sugar in everything.
Sugar and milk.
Yeah, exactly.
Fair.
That's weird. Prepare for yourself.
Cool.
Because you're not the only guest here. It's not your party.
Yes.
And you're the only one. So now imagine if all of us said, Uzugo yena doesn't eat nuts. Mna, I don't eat fish. Lona, what am I making?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm a vegetarian. Maybe...
I got the vegetarian. But also... if vegetarian is fine.
Yes.
Yeah, if vegetarian is fine. If vegetarian can say bandive. Do you have to supply alternatives for the vegetarian, or do they just not paga the meat?
Sutya le nto ungayityiyo.
Kaloku nomeze noba ingumdrayivi kaloku.
Ole rice.
Ewe.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta, I guess.
Ngiyathanda ungazicingela i-vegetarian. Hayi i-veg mos yonke le. But uyibona uba ayidibenanga le meal.
Come to freaky veg yodwa koko.
This is the whole thing. Engenando. Noba yi-bisto. You understand? Or something. Vegetarian alternative.
Yeah, okay.
And you'll have to make very little of it anyways, as well.
Yeah.
And izimanda zevegetarian zafutunyezwa man. Azifuna uphekwa a lot of the time. Yafutumeza.
Yes, but don't come at me with, now doing a lifestyle change and so vegan is healthy.
Yes, correct. The allergic to eating stuff.
Nindo is healthy. Then come here and have a good time with us. Corner, you can nitpick here. Okanye, baniskaftin sako just in case emotweni ba just in case dingahluthi okanye dingenziwa.
Yeah, no, for sure. Definitely.
Well, it's a pleasure, guys. I know you guys don't know how to act in public. But honestly, like ezinye izinto guys, no.
Yeah.
Ziyahlebisa.
Happy with that. I know. I think we've done justice to what we should take into us attending events as people. You understand? Asifuna besifunda ngani guys go tweet and don't ba hey, a friend did this quat. Yabo. So we've got a good base, so I think we should we should take it and run.
Right, now go out there and be the most amazing guests when you're invited.
Absolutely, to being great guests.
Yes, thanks guys for joining us again. Let us know what you think. If you guys want to add some more rules to our little rule book about how to act as somebody who's been invited to someone, please feel free.
Yeah. You know what it is, guys? Up until the next episode.
Don't forget, love each other.